Hello everybody and welcome to third day. Today was the parent exhibition. Was. Pending whether it was cancelled. As of like a minute ago. Emails were sent to remind 101, texts were sent. They were cancelled, but practice is still going on. Until 5 o'clock, and then we got an open house, which teachers have met in at 6 o'clock to the parent meeting, so practice is only an hour and a half. 3:30 to 5. So let's get to that practice, shall we?
We're ready. Set, please.
What happened?
Are we going without it? Just watch Caleb. Reset, Caleb.
Anyway, it's later now. Practice is over, and there's no exhibition because rain and stuff. Because rain exists. No. Nothing else going on tonight, and we haven't shown puppies much, but puppies start leaving tomorrow. And we haven't really made a video, so we're gonna take a few minutes after you spend some time with the puppies before they leave tomorrow. Because I know you guys didn't even meet them before. Aside from just not being an extra video or two, not really time dedicated to them.
It's bedtime, we're getting tired.
They're still happy and energetic. So which one's this little feller? Which one's this little boy?
You have a black on shirt?
Yeah?
Pepper.
Pepper?
Hey. Normally blocky.
Pepper. Pepper. Hey there. Hey there. How you doing there, little buddy? How you doing? What about those three little Boston sleeping over there? Blackie joining them.
Dixie on the bottom of the spot.
That Chloe
Jr.
on top.
on top.
What about the one over there off to the side?
I believe that's Daisy.
So who's this one right here?
Tony the Tiger.
We gonna keep him?
Maybe.
Who's the other two?
This is Boudreaux. Let me check. You a boy? Yes. Boudreaux. This Pepper. And this little girl down here. Ouch! Is biting my hand. That's Bella.
You guys know Bella already from, I think 2 days ago or something with the scammers.
And she's got the brindle on her hip.
Did you ever get that resolved?
Called up and left her a vile, nasty voice message. Called her every name in the book. If my mother ever heard me, she'd punish me.
Hey.
No, I'll play. They're tired.
Hey. Hey.
You get them in the morning, get the herd.
They are a herd. They're always a herd. Hey. 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 Hey there.
Call her Georgia.
We're gonna miss them again, aren't we?
Bella's going to North Carolina. Boudreaux's going to Virginia. Blackie's going to South Carolina for now, but moving to Florida in a few weeks.
What about Chloe Jr.?
Chloe Jr. is going to Alabama.
There's one more we're missing.
Izzy is going to South Carolina. She's only gonna be like 40 minutes away.
What about Tony?
Small town, South Carolina for now.
What?
A small town, South Carolina for now.
Which one?
Woodruff.
Hey there. Is this Boudreaux?
No,
With Bella?
not for Izzy.
Thought Izzy was over there.
She had brindle on her legs. She looks little. She had brindle on her left thigh.
Looks like it.
Left belly.
Hey, Bella.
She looks tiny too.
Bella. It's once the next letter we're expecting beginning of next year.
You're on Christmas.
We're gonna miss them. That can be it for today. Thank you guys for watching. Let's be back here tomorrow, shall we?